Well, hello once again, and here we go. Now you can tell that the US economy is fucked because of this pandemic. What's going on? Well, we're all going through rough times. Every country is going through a pretty difficult time right now because of the pandemic. But now the US have a solution. If you've got a YouTube channel and you're making money off it, ad revenue, they want you to pay tax. And this comes to all non-US citizens. So every country will be affected if you run a YouTube channel and you're monetizing it. So upcoming tax changes to your YouTube earnings. Now, I'm not going to be talking about how you set it up. There's a lot of channels that talk about that. This is me basically having a rant about it, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of YouTube channels out there are not happy about it. Every right to be not happy about it, because why the fuck should I pay tax on a country, or why should I pay tax on a country that I'm not living in? I don't live in the United States, so why should I be paying taxes? That's my argument right there. Just because this has just come up. I don't know. I mean, I got the email yesterday, and I'm sure that a lot of people got the same email, and it's coming. It's going to be starting as early as June 2021 this year. So we've got a few months yet, but what they want you to do is fill out a tax thing online. Now, I'm not going to be doing it. If you don't do it, they will take a percentage out. I think it's up to, if you're an individual YouTuber like me, I think it's up to about 24% they will deduct from my earnings. 24%. I don't make that much on YouTube anyway. I'm a very, very, very small YouTuber. I don't make hardly any money on it anyway. But I know there's big creators out there that is going to be affected by this. We've had the situation before where Google and YouTube make all these different changes, like I think it was a monetization. If you swear too much, they're gonna minimize your monetization if you swear in a video. Then we had all this bullshit about copper, about fucking kids, and the way I see it, that's up to the parents. That's down to the parents, but we're not going to go into that. I've already ranted about that on another video when that came about. But now we've all got to pay fucking taxes to the Americans, or the American government, the IRS, or what. It's got nothing to fucking do with us. We don't live there, so why the fuck should we pay tax to them? Sorry, that's my rant. Why? Because Google's an American company. It's got fuck all to do with it. So is Amazon. And they're over there. We're not fucking paying. I bet whoever works for Amazon are paying taxes to the UK, which is fair. You pay taxes to the country you live in. Why the fuck should I pay taxes to a country that I don't live in? It's just because YouTube is very big right now because of the pandemic. I think a lot of people have been watching YouTube videos, and a lot of people have been creating YouTube videos. It's big business by the sounds of it, So I don't know if it was under the Trump administration or it was under the Biden administration, but someone's come up. Ooh, look at what's going on here. All these creators around the world making money out of this, out of ads. Now, how can we tax these bastards? They got around something. They've got around something that could work. Fucking crafty, if you ask me. But I only thought you pay taxes in the country you live in. Or so if you're working internationally, there must be something. I think it's the company you pay taxes where that company's based. Don't know about that, but how the hell do all these creators in different countries have to pay taxes to the US? I don't know the full story. I think it's if the US people living in the US view the video, I think then we all got to pay a contribution to that or something. So all the US viewers, view, the more views you get, you get to avenue revenue. But yeah, all the US people that watch your videos, we're going to have to pay them taxes. I think it's bollocks. Because why the fuck should we pay taxes to a country that we don't live in? Yeah, but it's an American company. I don't give a fuck. They're not, I'm based over here. I'm sure there's a Google UK that, I'm sure when I get paid, it comes from Ireland or something like that. I don't know. It's not in the fucking US, is it? Yeah, that is my argument. Why should we pay fucking taxes to the US and when we don't even live there? Yeah, it just seems they're hard up and they're just desperate to get money from us. Imagine that, all the fucking world, There's a lot of content creators out there and there's a lot of big channels. So, and they obviously live off their earnings on YouTube. And now the US are getting fucking greedy and they want to tax us all. Yeah, I don't think this is going to go down too well with everyone. As I say, I'm not going to tell you how about going about it. I don't even know if it's worth my while even doing this. I don't even know why I should do it. Why should I fill in all these forms so I could just to pay tax to another country? Bollocks. No. So really, it's not going to affect me as much as the big channels, because I don't make that much money off my videos anyway. 24%. Yeah, it's a lot. But, and I think it's about 30% if you run a business or something like that off it. Yeah, they're going to tax you even higher. I think there's ways and means. I've been watching a few videos about it. I don't know if there's an exception somehow. What I've seen is might be a way around it. But this is really only going to apply to big channels, really. My channel's quite small, so I don't make a lot of money off it anyway. But 24% is still 24%, and that's still quite a cut. 25. Just say 25%. That's a quarter of your revenue, what you make. So a quarter of that, you'll be giving the US. You'll be giving the IRS. Internal Revenue Service. How's this fucking internal? No, it's probably nothing to do with the IRS, is it? It's probably the ERS, isn't it? The External Revenue Service. Yeah, that's bullshit. We've got to pay US tax. That is absolute bullshit. Yeah, this is how I feel about it. Yeah, it's bollocks. Anyway, got to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.